Good morning. We reached Statue of Unity yesterday evening. I could not really cover the vlog yesterday evening, so I took this opportunity to have spare some time in the morning and do the vlog. So what you see behind me is the entrance of the hotel where I am staying. So for stay at Statue of Unity, there are multiple options. There are exotic and executive tents available, and there are also few hotels available. Of course, these all options are available through Statue of Unity website right now, and we have to do online booking. So for this hotel room, we did online booking. This is one of the budget options. It's very near the Statue of Unity. The name of the hotel is BRG Budget Stay. About the hotel room rate, I would say it's very economic. It is only 1560 rupees for the stay. It does not include any meal or breakfast or anything else. All other services will be paid here. Even if it is a budget stay, it is a fairly good hotel to stay here. Nicely maintained, very good courteous staff, and all the services are right on time, right on spot. So it's really worth if you get a room here to stay. But of course, if you want to have a stay experience at Tent City, I would say that is also a very nice option to stay here. It's definitely costly. One of the tent options that I searched on Statue of Unity website, it was costing 9,000 rupees per night per tent, and that was for dual sharing basis. So any extra person, there would be another 3,000 rupees, and plus over and above that taxis. So it's going to be a costly option if you want to stay in the tents, but if you and your family wants to stay and have a good experience, you can even go for that. It is up to individuals' choice, what they want to do. So anyway, I'll just give a quick tour of the hotel and the room that I'm staying, just to get you an idea of the stay option at the BRG Budget Stay. So that was the entrance. On the right hand side there is car parking, and right behind it there is a reception area. Let's enter the reception area now. On the right hand side there is a reception. You can see a lot of guests are preparing to either check in or check out. That's a restaurant on the left hand side. So that was Wing A, where we saw the reception, restaurant and that banquet hall, and there are rooms on the top of it obviously. And that is Wing B, where I am staying. So I will now take you to the tour of the room that I am staying in, and that's the entry to the building, B Wing. Let's get in. It's a triple sharing room, so you can see a double bed and an extra single bed. It's a sufficient size, fairly good size in the given rate. Some storage facilities, of course televisions and other stuff. Washroom on this side. Charging points and balcony. And pretty decent size balcony. That's on the front side. So given the rate and cost of this room and hotel, this is worth staying here if you get a room here, as long as you wish to have an economic option to stay here. So that's about the hotel we stayed. Tonight we did not get booking for this hotel, and next night, tomorrow night, we want to stay here before we leave from Statue of Unity. So we have arranged another stay at another tent option, It's little economic tent option, and I'll try to cover the vlog for that separately later for tomorrow. The plan for today at Statue of Unity, I'll just touch base before now, because now we will get ready and move to Statue of Unity. So we have, as I said, booking at the tent stay, so we will have to go and check in there. We will have to check out from here first. After check-in there, we will move to visit Statue of Unity. We have taken a slot of 10 to 12, and once we visit the Statue of Unity, then we plan to visit some part of the jungle safari. There is a jungle safari here near Statue of Unity, which is an attraction. And my fellow rider Ashish has an interest in bird watching and photography, and from my last visit to this place, I understand there is a very good bird aviary, and I suggested Ashish to visit that because of his interest in the subject. So we will visit that, and then we have not booked any other options because we don't have that much time to visit each and every place to visit at Statue of Unity. There are many options. You can visit the Statue of Unity website and choose options of your interest to visit. So maybe we will also have a tour around some places on our bike in and around the Statue of Unity. There are some selfie points and so on. So that's it. That's the plan for today for Statue of Unity. Let's get ready for visiting the Statue of Unity. रेलवे स्टेशन एकता नगर, बड़ौदा से। हाँ, बड़ौदा से आती ट्रेन से। एकता नगर पूछना चाहिए, पता करना चाहिए ट्रेन कहाँ से आती है। हाँ, यस, करेक्ट। So we just checked out from the hotel and moved into this tent resort. We are in the rush to visit Statue of Unity, so I have not covered how does the tent look like right now. We'll cover it a little later. Meanwhile, we are just leaving for the Statue of Unity finally. So the statue is 11 kilometers from here, as you can see on the board. Nice looking railway station, obviously very nice roads. This side is the bus station from where buses will start and run across the Statue of Unity, and this is some kind of a mall, Ekta Mall. If time permits, we will visit here. That way is the Statue of Unity, so let's go ahead. Some checking home that we have to park the bike here and then take the bus from here. Okay. We have some space to park the bikes here. So that's parking area. There is ATM also in the parking area, and this is a signboard of facilities. We are looking for the locker to place our helmets. We don't want to carry this there, obviously. And there are other facilities also, medical center, temple, and ticketing window, etc. So let's move on to locker quickly and place our helmets there. That looks like a ticketing center on the other side. Nice facilities. स्टैच्यू के पास बैग रखने के लिए लॉकर होगा अलग से। looking for the pickup point. Okay, it is टिकट सेंटर के पास.
टिकट काउंटर में टिकट दिखा करके अपन अंदर जाएंगे वहाँ.
Okay. Oh, back side of the ticket center. Okay. Bus will approach the Statue of Unity now, and on the way that route the statue will be visible very soon on the right hand side. So a good suggestion would be to sit on the right hand side of the bus, so that when you are approaching you can have a view of the statue. There you go. There it is from the back side. By the side of it, that is huge. Stunning. So this is a drop point, bus drop point. You will step down here from the bus, and you can see some electric vehicles all around. No personal vehicles allowed to enter in this campus. That's really good. So let's step down. Wow. So that's the statue, of course. There is a viewpoint right there. We can go and have some selfies there. Very nice viewpoint. There is a locker room there, right behind that bus just went. We will need to leave our bags here. We are not allowed to carry any bags inside the statue, so we will leave our bags there. And then from the right hand side down there is an entry. So let's move. So that was the locker room. We just handed over the bag there. Whatever camera or accessories that you want to carry, you have to carry here. Bags are not allowed. So now we will walk down and enter the campus. We are in. Some security check. Temperature check. So that's all for this video. Watch next video number 3 of this series on Ride to Statue of Unity. Let's ride, let's resonate.